Doing a commercial solar panel clean. As you can see, lots of panels straight up there as well. We've got about 180 panels worth. Basically the same as residential, especially when you've got a commercial property. If you've got this many panels on the roof, you want to make sure you're getting your return on investment, and that means having a regular cleaning schedule, depending on the location of the building, depending on the places around the building, is dependent on how soon and regularly you should clean them. Most manufacturers say a minimum of once a year, and that would be true. Rain does not clean your panels, so the important thing is to actually agitate. As you can see here, we've already rinsed the panels and we're now scrubbing them. And I also have here in my hand a glass safe scraper, which we use for windows. These are high quality blades that we use if we've got any kind of hard matter that is on the panels. We can get that off with the scraper. So, but otherwise, mostly these pads do an excellent job of getting and agitating the dirt off. And of course, what we do at the end is rinse it. Okay, so if you have panels and you need them maintained, you want to make sure you're getting the most out of the solar investment that you made, give us a call, and happy to help. So here you go, you can see the results of the panels that have been scrubbed. These have been freshly rinsed, these have now dried off. You can see there's not a single blemish on these. A few leaves from these trees, but that's unavoidable. But yeah, so I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and give us a call if we can help you.